Exporting context from System.io is a quick and easy process. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your System.io account. Visit System.io and log in using your credentials. Access the Context section. From the dashboard, click on Context in the left-hand menu. This will take you to the list of all your contexts in System.io. Select the context you want to export. You can either select individual contexts or export all contexts. To select all contexts, use the checkbox at the top of the list. If you want to filter specific contexts, use the search and filter options before selecting. Click on Export. After selecting your context, you will see an export button at the top right of the page. Click Export to begin the export process. Choose the export format. You can export your context as a CSV file, which is compatible with most email platforms and CRMs. Download the file. Once the export process is complete, the file will be available for download. Click the download link to save the CSV file to your computer.